Ever wondered how far into the cosmos we'll venture in our lifetime? In an era where technology is advancing at a breathtaking pace, the final frontier, space, is becoming more accessible than ever. Governments and private entities alike are casting their eyes skywards, dreaming of the day when we'll leave our mark on the cosmos. At the forefront of this new space age is NASA, the United States Space Agency. Renowned for their pioneering work in space exploration, NASA is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, exploring the furthest reaches of the universe and making plans for missions that once seemed the stuff of science fiction. But it's not just NASA making waves in space exploration. The private sector, led by visionaries like Elon Musk and Richard Branson, is also stepping up to the plate. SpaceX, Musk's brainchild, is developing the Starship, a mega rocket with the goal of carrying people to Mars and landing astronauts on the moon. Branson's Virgin Galactic, on the other hand, is aiming to launch commercial flights as early as next year, making space tourism a reality. Meanwhile, Roscosmos, Russia's space agency, has announced its intention to withdraw from the International Space Station partnership. But this does not spell disaster for NASA. In fact, it opens up new opportunities for collaboration with private companies and international partners. Both NASA and Roscosmos have plans for future space stations, although not together, marking a new era in space exploration. The theme of this video is NASA's future spaceships. As we move forward into this exciting new era of space travel, we'll take a closer look at the cutting-edge technology that will propel us into the cosmos. From spacecraft capable of traveling at 1 million miles per hour to sustainable habitats on the moon, the future of space travel is bright and full of possibilities. So buckle up as we dive into the world of NASA's future spaceships and see how they plan to conquer the cosmos. The future is closer than you think, and it's going to be a wild ride. NASA, a forefront pioneer in space exploration, is ushering in a new era. An era where the term impossible is being redefined, where boundaries are being pushed, and horizons are being expanded. At the heart of this transformative period is NASA's Artemis program, an ambitious initiative that aims to return humans to the lunar surface by the mid-2020s. But it doesn't stop there. The Artemis program is also laying the groundwork for future human exploration of Mars, with a vision that extends far beyond just landing and leaving. NASA's aim is to establish sustainable human exploration by the end of the decade. Meanwhile, in the realm of the International Space Station, or ISS, a significant shift is on the horizon, with Russia's space agency, Roscosmos, announcing its intention to withdraw from the ISS partnership after 2024. NASA is preparing to fly solo. But flying solo doesn't mean flying blind. On the contrary, NASA has been readying itself for this eventuality for nearly a decade, investing in private development of human-rated spacecraft and planning for a smooth transition. While there are challenges to be met, such as orbital reboost, replacing Moscow ground support, and figuring out what to do with Russia's modules and hardware, NASA's commitment to the ISS remains steadfast. After all, the ISS serves as a unique laboratory for scientific discovery and technological advancement, a platform for an unprecedented international collaboration, and a stepping stone for the further exploration of space. In this new era, NASA also plans to foster collaborations with private companies, leveraging their innovative technologies and unique capabilities to accelerate the pace of space exploration. This partnership model offers an exciting avenue for achieving NASA's ambitious goals and ensuring the continued leadership of the United States in space. NASA is not just aiming for the stars, it's aiming for sustainability and longevity in space. NASA is not alone in this journey. They have some powerful allies. When it comes to pushing the boundaries of space exploration, NASA has found a formidable partner in SpaceX. Spearheaded by the visionary Elon Musk, SpaceX is working tirelessly to revolutionize our approach to space travel. One of their most ambitious projects is the development of the Starship mega rocket, a game changer designed to transport humans to Mars and even land astronauts on the moon. This isn't just a distant dream. In fact, Elon Musk has expressed confidence that Starship could fly its first batch of humans in just a couple of years. Imagine that. A civilian-led mission, journeying to the moon and back, all within this decade. It's the stuff of science fiction, but with every passing day, it inches closer to reality. Yet, like any trailblazing endeavor, the path to success is strewn with challenges. Starship's development hasn't been without its share of setbacks. Test flights have ended in explosions during landing, highlighting the immense difficulty of perfecting the landing capabilities of such a massive rocket. But every failure is a learning opportunity, and SpaceX is using these experiences to refine and improve Starship's design and functionality. NASA, recognizing the potential of this groundbreaking project, is collaborating closely with SpaceX. They're working together to transform Starship into a lunar lander, with the goal of using it to transport astronauts to the moon as part of the Artemis program. The possibility of a lunar landing by 2024 may seem ambitious, and indeed, it's a timeline that's met with skepticism. But if successful, it would mark a monumental achievement in the annals of space exploration. The partnership between NASA and SpaceX is more than just a collaboration. It's a testament to mankind's unyielding spirit of exploration and our collective desire to push the boundaries of what's possible. With the combined might of these two powerhouses, a lunar landing by 2024 seems within reach. And who knows? Perhaps one day soon, we'll see humans setting foot on Mars, ushering in a new era of space travel. With the combined might of NASA and SpaceX, a lunar landing by 2024 seems within reach. Space isn't exclusive to astronauts anymore, it's going commercial. Imagine a world where going to space is as common as taking a flight to another city. That's the future NASA is working towards with their plans to fund the development of commercial space stations. This isn't some far-fetched dream, it's a reality that's being built right now. Commercial space stations offer a host of benefits and opportunities. First and foremost, they open the gates to space for more than just astronauts. Scientists, researchers, even tourists could have the chance to experience the vastness of the cosmos. Imagine the kind of groundbreaking research that could be conducted if scientists had regular access to a zero-gravity environment. But it's not just about research. Commercial space stations also open the door to space tourism, a sector that's been gaining traction in recent years. Imagine looking out of a window to see the entirety of Earth suspended in the inky blackness of space. That's a breathtaking view that was once reserved for a chosen few, but could soon be accessible to anyone with the means and the desire to go. Even more than these, commercial space stations could serve as a launchpad for further space exploration. They could act as pit stops for missions to the moon, Mars, and beyond, making those journeys more feasible and less daunting. This is a new era for space exploration, one where the cosmos isn't just a frontier for astronauts, but a destination for all of us. It's a future where we're not just spectators of space travel, but active participants. It's a future where the wonders of the cosmos are no longer confined to the pages of a science fiction novel, but are experiences that are within our reach. The cosmos is no longer a frontier just for astronauts, it's becoming a destination for all of us. As we stand at the precipice of a new age in space travel, what does the future hold? Well, let's recap. We've discussed NASA's future plans, the collaboration with SpaceX, and the rise of commercial space stations. Each of these developments is a crucial piece of the puzzle that is the future of space travel. NASA has committed to maintaining the International Space Station through 2030. However, they are also looking beyond this, funding the private development of human-rated spacecraft and preparing to operate the station independently. With Russia planning to withdraw from the partnership after 2024, NASA faces challenges but also opportunities. The agency has plans for future space stations, and not just in Earth's orbit. The moon is also on the agenda, a testament to NASA's ambition and vision. SpaceX, under the leadership of Elon Musk, is developing the Starship, a mega rocket with the goal of carrying people to Mars and landing astronauts on the moon. Despite the challenges and setbacks, the company is working tirelessly to improve the landing capabilities of Starship. It's a crucial part of their larger launch system and a key component in NASA's Artemis program. Musk's vision extends to establishing a settlement on Mars, bringing us one step closer to becoming an interplanetary species. The dawn of commercial space stations ushers in a new era of space travel. With companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin entering the fray, we're seeing the democratization of space travel. These companies are not just planning suborbital flights for a few minutes of weightlessness. they're also looking at research payloads, astronaut training, and supersonic air travel development. The business model for space travel is evolving, becoming more accessible and more diverse. So, what does the future hold for space travel? It's a question with no definitive answer, but one thing is certain: the stars are no longer out of reach. With NASA's future spaceships and the innovations of private companies, we are on the cusp of a new era in space exploration. The universe is vast, filled with mysteries and wonders waiting to be discovered. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, who knows what we might find? The stars are no longer out of reach. With NASA's future spaceships, we are on the cusp of a new era in space exploration.